In today's fast-paced and competitive world, achieving financial success requires more than just hard work. It demands strategic thinking and deliberate action. Welcome to our video on unlocking your earning potential, where we'll explore essential strategies to help you thrive in the ever-evolving landscape of earning opportunity. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a corporate professional aiming to climb the career ladder, understanding how to maximize your earning potential is crucial. The concept of earning potential goes beyond simply earning a paycheck. It encompasses your ability to leverage your skills, knowledge, and resources to generate income and achieve your financial goal. In this video, we'll delve into 5 key points that can serve as the foundation for unlocking your earning potential. As we navigate through these strategies, keep in mind that each point is interconnected, building upon the others to create a comprehensive approach to enhancing your earning capabilities. From developing valuable skills to cultivating a growth mindset, seeking out opportunities for growth, leveraging your network, and setting clear goals, each aspect plays a vital role in shaping your financial future. So whether you're just starting your career journey, looking to pivot into a new industry, or aiming to take your business to the next level, this video is designed to provide you with actionable insights and practical advice to propel you towards success. Let's embark on this journey together as we uncover the strategies that will unlock your earning potential and empower you to thrive in today's dynamic economy. Get ready to discover the keys to financial success and chart your course toward a prosperous future. Without further ado, let's dive into the 5 key points that will unlock your earning potential and set you on the path to financial freedom. Develop marketable skills. Developing marketable skills is the cornerstone of unlocking your earning potential. In today's fast-paced and competitive job market, having valuable skills sets you apart and allows you to command higher compensation for your work. Identify your strengths and passion. The first step in developing marketable skills is to identify areas where you excel or have a genuine passion. Take some time to reflect on your strengths, interests, and what you enjoy doing. Consider past experiences, hobbies, or activities where you've demonstrated proficiency or enthusiasm. Invest in yourself. Once you've identified your areas of strength and passion, it's time to invest in yourself by acquiring new skills. This can be done through various avenues such as courses, workshops, or mentorship programs. Look for opportunities that align with your interests and goals. Whether it's learning a new programming language, honing your design skills, or mastering a particular industry-specific tool. Continuous learning. Remember that learning is a lifelong journey. As technology and industries evolve, so too should your skills. Stay up to date with industry trends and advancements, and be proactive in seeking out new learning opportunities. This could involve attending conferences, participating in webinars, or even subscribing to online learning platforms where you can access a vast array of courses. Value proposition. The more valuable your skills become, the more you can demand in terms of compensation. Employers and clients are willing to pay a premium for individuals who bring unique expertise and proficiency to the table. By continuously developing and refining your skills, you position yourself as a valuable asset in the marketplace. A visual representation. To illustrate this point, imagine a montage of individuals attending workshops, enrolling in online courses, and actively gaining new skills. These visuals can depict the journey of self-improvement and the dedication required to develop marketable skills. Additionally, showcases success stories of individuals who have invested in themselves and witnessed significant growth in their earning potential as a result of their newfound expertise. In summary, developing marketable skills is essential for unlocking your earning potential. By identifying your strengths, investing in continuous learning, and positioning yourself as a valuable asset in the marketplace, you can pave the way for greater financial success and career advancement. Embrace a growth mindset. Embracing a growth mindset is a pivotal step towards unlocking your earning potential. Unlike a fixed mindset, which believes that abilities and intelligence are innate and unchangeable, a growth mindset thrives on the belief that skills and talents can be developed through dedication and effort. Start believing your ability to learn and grow. Start by acknowledging that your potential for growth is limitless. Understand that your current skills and knowledge are merely starting points on your journey towards success. By believing in your ability to learn and grow, you open yourself up to a world of possibility. Imagine you're considering a career change or aiming for a promotion in your current job. Instead of doubting your capabilities, remind yourself that with the right mindset and dedication, you can acquire the necessary skills and knowledge. Feedback, whether positive or constructive, is invaluable for personal and professional growth. Embrace feedback as a means to identify areas for improvement and refine your skill. Avoid taking criticism personally and instead use it as fuel for growth. Suppose you receive feedback from a client or supervisor regarding areas where you can enhance your performance. Instead of feeling discouraged, view this feedback as an opportunity to fine-tune your skills and deliver even better results in the future. So please give feedback about this content. If you like this content, give us a like and please subscribe to Aquarium of Inspiration YouTube channel and stay with us for more. View failures as opportunities for growth. Failure is not the end, but rather a stepping stone towards success. Embrace failure as a natural part of the learning process and an opportunity to gain valuable insights. Learn from your mistakes, adapt your approach, and keep pushing forward. Let's say you launch a new business venture that doesn't yield the expected results. Instead of giving up, analyze what went wrong, identify areas for improvement, and apply these lessons to your next endeavor. Each setback brings you closer to achieving your goal. Cultivate a positive attitude towards challenges. Challenges are inevitable on the path to success. Instead of shying away from them, embrace challenges as opportunities to stretch your abilities and test your limits. Cultivate a positive attitude towards challenges, knowing that overcoming them will only make. Suppose you encounter a complex project at work that requires you to acquire new skills and knowledge. Rather than feeling intimidated, approach the challenge with enthusiasm and determination. View it as a chance to expand your skill set and showcase your capabilities. By embracing a growth mindset, you position yourself for continuous improvement and expansion of your earning potential. Remember, success is not determined by where you start, but by the willingness to learn, grow, and adapt along the way. Opportunities for growth. In today's fast-paced world, staying stagnant is not an option. To truly unlock your earning potential, you must actively seek out opportunities for growth. This means keeping a vigilant eye on your industry landscape, staying informed about emerging trends, and identifying gaps in the market that you can capitalize. Knowledge is power, and staying informed about advancements in your industry is crucial for staying ahead of the curve. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow thought leaders on social media, and attend conferences or webinars to stay up to date with the latest development. Cultivate a curious mindset that drives you to explore new ideas and concepts. Don't be afraid to ask questions, challenge assumptions, and seek out alternative perspectives. Curiosity opens doors to new opportunities and can lead to innovative solutions to existing problems. Proactive opportunities rarely fall into your lap. you must actively pursue them. Take the initiative to network with industry professionals, participate in relevant forums or communities, and engage in continuous learning. By being proactive, you position yourself as someone who is eager to seize opportunities. Every industry has its shortcomings and unmet needs waiting to be addressed. Pay attention to pain points expressed by consumers or businesses within your niche and brainstorm creative solutions to fill those gaps. Whether it's a new product or service offering or a more efficient way of doing things, identifying and addressing market gaps can open up lucrative opportunities for growth. The business landscape is constantly evolving, and the ability to adapt quickly is essential for sustained success. Stay agile by remaining flexible in your approach, willing to pivot when necessary, and embracing change as an opportunity for growth rather than a setback. Remember, fortune favors the bold. By staying curious, proactive, and agile, you position yourself to seize opportunities for growth and unlock your true earning potential. So keep your eyes open, stay informed, and be ready to take action when the right opportunity presents itself. Leverage your network. Building and leveraging your network is a crucial step in unlocking your earning potential. Your network consists of individuals who can offer guidance, support, and valuable connections that can lead to new opportunities and collaboration. Surround yourself with supportive individuals. It's essential to surround yourself with individuals who inspire and support your goal. These could be friends, family members, colleagues, or mentors who believe in your abilities and are willing to offer encouragement and assistance along your journey. Network both online and offline. Networking is not limited to in-person interactions, but also extends to online platforms such as social media, professional networking sites, and participate in relevant online communities, engage with industry influencers, and share your expertise to expand your network beyond geographical. Don't hesitate to reach out to mentors or peers for advice, guidance, and connections. Mentors can offer valuable insights based on their experiences and help you navigate challenges more effectively. Peers can provide support and collaboration opportunities, fostering mutual growth and success. Imagine you're a freelance graphic designer looking to expand your client base. By leveraging your network, you may reach out to a mentor who has successfully grown their freelance business. They could provide valuable advice on marketing strategies, client acquisition, and pricing strategies. Additionally, joining online communities and participating in industry-related discussions can connect you with potential clients or collaborators. You might come across a fellow freelancer in a different niche who is in need of graphic design services for their project. This collaboration not only expands your portfolio, but also opens doors to new opportunities through word-of-mouth referrals and testimonials. Set clear goals and take action. Setting clear goals and taking action is essential for unlocking your earning potential. Without a clear direction, it's easy to feel lost or overwhelmed by the challenges ahead. Here's a more detailed breakdown of this crucial step. Start by defining both short-term and long-term financial goals. Short-term goals could include increasing your monthly income or saving a specific amount of money, while long-term goals might involve buying a house, retiring comfortably, or starting your own business. Make sure your goals are specific and measurable. Instead of saying, "I want to make more money," specify how much more money you want to make and by when. For example, I want to increase my monthly income by 20 within the next 6 months. Once you've established your goals, break them down into actionable steps. Identify the tasks or milestones you need to achieve in order to reach your objective. This could include acquiring new skills, networking with potential clients or employers, or launching a marketing campaign for your business. Success rarely happens overnight. It requires consistent effort and discipline. Stay committed to your goals, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Create a schedule or action plan to keep yourself on track, and hold yourself accountable for making progress towards your goals each day. Be flexible and willing to adjust your approach as needed. Not every plan will unfold exactly as expected, and that's okay. Stay open to feedback and new opportunities, and be willing to pivot or change course if necessary. Remember, the journey to success is rarely a straight line, but with focus and determination, you can overcome obstacles and achieve remarkable results. By setting clear goals and taking consistent action towards achieving them, you'll not only unlock your earning potential, but also pave the way for a more fulfilling and prosperous future. So don't wait any longer. Start defining your goals and taking steps towards making them a reality today. And there you have it, 5 strategies to unlock your earning potential. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. Each of the strategies we've discussed today is like a building block, laying the foundation for your financial future. Whether you're aiming to increase your income, start your own business, or achieve financial independence, these strategies can serve as your roadmap to success. So take these strategies to heart and take action. Start by identifying which areas you need to focus on first, and then gradually implement the steps we've outlined. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. And if you ever feel discouraged or face setbacks along the way, remember why you started. Visualize the future you desire, and let that vision fuel your determination to keep going. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unlock your earning potential. We believe in you, and we're excited to see the amazing things you'll achieve. Keep striving for greatness and never underestimate the power of your dream.